Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to our panel, which is Dr. Mutazimah and Encik Razid, and also to my fellow friends. My name is Nada binti Ahmad Nazari. My metric number is 056853. So today I will be presenting about my system, which is Malaysian Confinement Finder System. This Malaysian Confinement Finder System is a web-based system that helps the mother to get the confinement based on the criteria that they preferred. And I think that it is really necessary for mothers to have a confinement during their postnatal period, because they will provide the opportunity for mothers to have a comfortable rest and also a peace of mind. And moving on to the objective of the system is to develop a platform to help mother in getting the best confinement lady, because nowadays some places would just assign the confinement lady randomly without asking their preferences. So in solving this problem, I use AHP technique, as the system will be able to suggest a list of confinement lady based on the preferred criteria. In the system, the admin can manage package, which each package has their own services, and the users can make booking, and after the booking has done, the system will advise a list of confined ladies based on the criteria that they preferred, and the confined lady can choose whether to accept or decline the booking. They also can view the booking details, and after the booking has complete, the users can leave a rating and review, and all the informations will be saved into the database. As for the contribution, this system has made it easier for users to instantly get the well-experienced confinement lady, and based on applied method, which is AHP technique, the system will recommend the users the best criteria that fits their preference. That's it for the poster. Next, I will present about the functionalities of the system. So actually, the system has three users, which are admin, users, and confinement lady. So here is the login form for admin. I will just enter the admin's email and password. Click login. So from the dashboard, admin can view the total number of users that is registered into the system. The admin also can view the total number of confinement lady and unverified confinement lady. The admin also can view the booking that is still pending, successful, and booked. Okay, so moving on to the next menu, which is verify confinement lady. Every time the confinement lady register into the system, they need to wait for the admin's approval in order for them to continue login and get their customer. So before the admin choose to accept or reject the registration by the confinement lady, the admin can view the resume that has been uploaded by them during the registration. So from the resume, admin can view the work experience, and admin also can view the educational history, so that from that, admin can analyze whether CL is eligible or not to be the confined lady of the system. If the CL is well experienced enough, admin just can simply click the button accept. And here is the list of verified confined ladies, so they can continue to log into the system and get their customer from the system. So as for the admin also can manage package. So here are the list of packages that has been added by admin. Admin also can add package and update the package details. So in example, if the admin want to view the services under the package A, just click services. Okay, so if the admin want to add new services for the package A, just click add services and enter the service name and click proceed. Okay, and we can see that the latest services has successfully added under the package A. So if the admin want to update the details of this service, just click update and enter. Let's say I want to update to head massage and click update. And we can see that the details of the services has already updated. Admin also can view the report between the confined lady and customer. So here is the list of confined lady that has been in charge to take care of their customer, and this is the packages that has been chosen by the customer, and this is the booking status, whether it is completed, pending, or booked. So I think that's all for the admin's part. Next, I will show the user's part. So here is the registration form for the users. For the registration, the users need to enter all the data in all the fields. So let's say I enter the number and symbols, which is not valid for this field, and click register. we can see that the system has notified the users that the data is invalid. So next I will enter the valid data. Click register. After the registration has successfully done, the system will redirect the users to the login form. So I will just enter the email and password. Login. Moving on to the next page, which is frequently asked questions. From this page, the users can view some information about how the system works, so they can gain some information about the system. And these are the packages that has been added by the admin, and we can see that each package has their own services. The users also can view the confinement list of the system, and they also have ratings that can help them in making decisions. Next, the users also can make booking. As we can see, the system has notified the users to update their confinement address first before make the booking. So I will just update their confinement address. Just click update, just click make booking, and finally the users can make booking. Just click proceed. So here is the booking form. The users need to enter the valid input for each field. Is enter the valid age, which is 35 years old, and enter the emergency contact. Next, the users need to enter the criteria that they look for in getting the confinement lady. There are 3 criteria, which are confinement skills, general knowledge, and reliability. So let's say I choose the confinement skills, and if the user already entered the first criteria, that criteria will be hidden on the second field. This is to avoid users from choosing the same criteria. So let's say I will pick the general knowledge. For the date of confinement, the users must enter the date that is not in the past. So let's say I enter the 1st May. We can see that the system has notified the users that the date must be in the future. So I will pick the start date of the confinement will be 30 June, and the end date of the confinement will be 30 July. And the expected date of delivery will be 25 of June. After completing the booking form, the system will suggest a list of confinement to users. So actually this is where I implement the AHP method, where the system will advise a list of confinement that has the highest rating, suitable with the criteria chosen by the users. As the users enter the confinement skills and general knowledge as their priorities in getting the confinement lady, the system will show the rating of those criteria so that it will help the users in decision making. So let's say I choose the Jackson Chan as my confinement lady. Just click choose. So after the booking has successfully made, the users need to wait for the approval by their confinement lady. If the users want to cancel their booking, just simply click this button and the booking details will be displayed, but this time I will just go back to the booking history. So I will log out and log in into the CL's account. Next, I will show on how the CL will accept or decline the booking. But before that, I will show on how the system will notify the confinement lady if they did not get the approval by the admin yet, but they still insist to log in. We can see that the system has notified the CL that their application is still pending, so they need to wait for the admin's approval in order for them to continue to log in and get their customer from the system. So next, I will log in using the Jackson Chan account. So here is the customer that booked the CL for the confinement purpose. Before the CL choose to accept or decline the booking, they can view the details of the booking beforehand. So the details will be displayed, and the CL can view the customer's full name and also the details of the confinement. So I'll just go back to the booking history. And let's say the CL want to accept this booking, just click accept. And then the booking status will be changed from pending to book. And as we can see, there is a button for CL to complete the booking. If the booking is still not complete and the CL is still insists to click the complete the booking button, the system will notify the CL that the booking is still pending and the booking status will not change. But on the other hand, if the booking is really completed, and as we can see that the end date of this booking is on 15 May, So the CL can click complete the booking, and we can notice that the system has notified the CL that the booking is now complete. The booking status will change from booked to completed, means that the users can finally rate the confirmed lady on their services. So I will log in using the Sharifah Maria account to rate the confirmed lady. Next, I will log in into the user's account to show the rating part. So just go to the booking history, and we can see that the booking status has changed from booked to completed, and the rate button is now available. So just click rate, and the users need to enter the ratings for each criteria and also leave a review. So let's say I'll just enter 5 stars and leave a review. Click submit, and the system will redirect the users to the ratings and reviews page, so the users can view the details of the confirmed lady. So they also can view the ratings for this confirmed lady that has been in charge to take care of them, and they also can view the reviews that has been given by the other customers. So I think that's all that I can present about my system's functionalities and system flows. Thank you.